Hello there, got a new wide-angle lens for my camera, and I tried putting Marduk in my van. Unfortunately, he didn't fit. I'll tell you about some of the parts that make up Marduk. Here is an arm, all laid out. Shoulder pauldron's a little wiggly. Neighbor's target shooting. Over there, that's the motor carriage mount, also known as the snowblower mount. Working on kind of pimping out some little bits from Marduk. Gold skulls look very Warhammer-like. Over here are the leg pylons. And it just got knocked over by the wind. Don't know how that happened. I'm working on rebuilding the torso a little bit so the back is less of a PVC monstrosity. Just using 2x4s, might be a little heavier, not look as cool, but hey, it works. I also added some more cross bracing to support the hip area so it's less wiggly. So now it just rocks back and forth on the ground. And I plan to put a small platform underneath so the torso can actually rotate on the legs. So you get a little more motion with the punches. The main thing that kept the Marduk from getting into the van was the codpiece. So now it is removable with a little bit of effort. There's some construction going on with the neighbors. Don't know what they're doing. But some pieces broke a little bit, but that's why it's PVC, so I could just, sort of stitch it together by bolting on little extra bits on the bottom, and that pretty much fixes the issue. But, that is all for today, so until next time, bye-bye.